angry dogs. Hey, what's up everybody? Jordan Johnson here. Thanks for watching. This is going to be the Ice Bucket Challenge for ALS. Make sure to donate. I've been nominated, God, I don't know, 3 or 4 different times. So I'm going to nominate, anybody else that hasn't done it. It's kind of fading out. I was a little late to jump on the bandwagon, but I'm on it. I'm ready to go. This is going down today. This is going to be fun. This is going to be the only magic trick ice bucket challenge on the internet. I'm going to get the ice and water ready, and then we're going to go into this, give that time to cool down. So this is the Ice Bucket Challenge. Jordan Johnson, magic, boom. Okay, so how this works is this is going to be a prediction effect. This is going to be an experiment that's going to work on the vast majority of you. A little mind reading through the camera screen, me and you, but I'm going to see if I can subliminally force you to think of my prediction, okay? So what I need you to do is I need you to clear your mind. That was right there, you. Yeah, that was really quick. Strangely quick, actually. Okay, so now that you got your mind cleared, I need you to think of a playing card. Any playing card in a deck of cards. You have the ace through the king, you have the clubs, hearts, spades, and diamonds. Think of a card now. Lock that card in your mind. If you want to, you can change a couple times, but lock it in. Good. Now, we're going to get rid of the suit. We're not going to think of the suit. We're going to just use the value of the card. So get rid of the suit, whatever the suit is. Now you have a card in mind. A value of a card. In this case, we're going to associate with numbers 1 through 13. Aces are 1, then you have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 corresponding with the numbers on the cards. But then jacks are going to be 11, queens are going to be 12, and kings are going to be 13. So now you've got a random number between 1 and 13 locked in your mind. Keep that number. That's going to be our starting point. And we're going to make sure we randomize everybody's numbers up. So now we will land on a number that not even you thought you were going to, land on, which makes it more impossible for me and more impressive if this, actually works. I'm going to take out my iPhone and I've got a calculator app on there. This just makes it easier. We're going to take the number you're thinking of between 1 and 13. You're going to type it in your phone. We're going to do basic math. Let's do multiply. Let's times it. Yeah, we'll times it by, let's do 2. Let's double it. That makes it easy for people that are just doing this in your head. Okay, and then press equals, okay, to clear it out. So now you've got a different number. And then let's do, let's add 8. And then press equals. So add 8 to the number now. Perfect. Let's do, okay, we'll do division, and let's do divide by 2, and then press equals. So now you've got a different number. And then we'll do it one way. We're going to do one of each: addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. We'll do subtract, and this will be the big finale. Subtract the number you were first thinking of. The first number and the value of the card, subtract that number from it, and then press equals. Okay? And you will pull up a number, number 9. That's going to be my special number. So keep the number that you have on your phone. Don't show it to anybody else. Keep it in your mind. If you did it in your head, excellent. Now that you have this number, we're going to associate it with a letter in the alphabet. Okay. So now instead of a number, we're going to associate it with a word. So you're going to, if you're thinking of 1, it's going to be A, 2 B, 3 C, 4 D, 5 E, 6 F, and so on. Okay, so mine is 9, so mine would be, let's see, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So I'd have I, the letter I, okay? So you're thinking of 3, you'd be C. Obviously I'm 9, so I'm I. I want you to think of a country that begins with that letter. Now for 9, I'd probably think of Ireland, starts with I. Block a country in mind. Okay, you got that country. We're gonna go up one letter. So I was thinking of I, I'd go to J. If you're thinking of A, go to B, B, go to C, and so on, okay? And we're gonna use that letter now, that random letter. We're going to use that to think of an animal that begins with that letter. You just think of an animal. Got it? Now, I want you to think of the color of this animal. I'll lock that color in mind. We started with the playing card, got a value, randomized it, landed on a random number, and then we started thinking of a country with the corresponding letter in the alphabet, and then the next letter above that, we thought of an animal and then thought of the color of that animal. So we've locked into a random color. I'm going to show you guys the prediction, and I don't know if you can see. I don't know if you can see my my undershirt, but it happens to be red. Okay. Did that happen to be the color you're thinking of? If not, I've got something even better. You can see I've got question marks written on it because this was the prediction that was out in full view the whole time. But I don't think very many of you thought of red. Let me explain. Watch. Let me see if I can change into this. Okay. I think a lot of you thought of maybe gray. Now we're gonna do the ice bucket challenge. I got your color. Since I got your color, we're gonna dump this big tub of water in my head. Okay. So we're gonna try this. Okay. This is to ALS Magic, all my Facebook fans, and the Ice Bucket Challenge. Okay. Won't you look? Watch. You see? I don't know if you can see, but with the question mark in there, that looks like maybe it was an elephant. If that was the elephant, it's so cold. If that was the elephant you were thinking of, that was part 2. But part 3, the country, Denmark, since we started. Thanks for watching. That water's really cold. I hope you guys liked it. Share it with your friends through Facebook, YouTube. Thanks for watching. God.